Next, we have the work package specifier, or the availability specifier, S. Okay, so S is a for tuple. We've got the work packages hash. And then we have a few interesting things. We have a work bundle length, an erasure route, and a segment route. These essentially provide references to the data that is needed in order to execute the work package. Again, this happens off-chain, so I'm not going to go into too much detail here, but it's important for reconstructing and auditing. The erasure routes and segment routes are both Merkle routes. One of them is constant. The segment route is constant depth. The erasure route is a binary Merkle, just a regular one. Doesn't necessarily have constant depth, and it commits to the data required for auditing. Now, the reason that it's a work bundle and not a work package is because it turns out that you need extra data to verify to audit a work package. You need actually data on the imports, which is something that we brought in so that we can have this really nice distributed data availability system. It does complicate things a bit from Polkadot 1, but not too much. And this is one of the minor complications. So we have not merely work package hash and work package length, but rather we have a work package hash and then this work bundle length. Right. The segment route, essentially, it kind of combines all of these segments. So the imports, exports segments. When a work package is executed, it can export data. Data is exported as a sequence of 4K chunks. And it turns out a work package can export, I don't know, up to like 4 megabytes of these, I think. I have to check the limits in the back. And these go into a Merkle tree, and then you get a segment route out. And this is this segment route allows us to know and be proved to what we should be receiving for our responsibilities as assurers for this data. So that's essentially what it's saying here. These are used by guarantors to verify the correctness of any reconstructed segments they're called upon to import for evaluation of some later work package. As I say, this stuff there's a lot more nuance to it than I have time to go into today, and it's discussed much more in depth in section 14, which is beyond what we're going to cover today.